If we want to find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, so say we have some matrix that's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and we want to find the inverse, we write it as the augmented matrix that is, so we'll call this A, which is A, and then the 3 by 3 identity matrix. So we would write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then our identity matrix.